Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about a couple of the posts from Sawyer's regarding about Tesla, which is has some awesome news. So first off, right here it says news: as of today, the Quicksilver is now available on all Model Y trims in the US. Previously it was only available on the Model Y long range all-wheel drive and the Performance. So if you guys are dying to get the Quicksilver color, which is awesome, really nice, now you can get them, right? The next one is, you can see right here, news: Tesla dropped the price of the white interior options in the Model 3 rear-wheel drive and the long-range all-wheel drive from $2,000 to $1,000. Tesla does this quite often. Sometimes they even include it in the for free as well too. I think they did that with the Performance model. So yeah, but anytime when there's a price decrease, which is good because it's making more people likely to afford the vehicles, right? So we need that. Also, another one, Tesla has introduced the Model 3 long-range rear-wheel drive in the U.S. So we know about this before. However, now it's starting to get the EV credit, so making the vehicles even cheaper. So after this, we're actually going to go over to the Tesla website and we're actually going to go check all these out and see if it's true, right? But $34,999 for long range with 363 miles, 0 to 60, 4.9 second, refresh styles. Jesus Christ, what more can we ask for, right? So let's hop over to Tesla. So starting off right here, this is the Model 3 right here. You can see I have it, the rear-wheel drive doesn't get the discount of the federal tax credit, so it'll stay at $38,999. So basically with the tax incentive, it's pushing people towards the long-range rear-wheel drive, right? At least minimum. So you can see right here already, 363 miles. I think that's pretty good, right, for the price. And it's top speed 125, 0 to 60, 4.9. It's only 1 second slower than my Model Y long range. And as we can see, we scroll down, the color, everything I think still the same. The white color 1,000, and it's solid black, and then the ultra red is 2,000, which is still the same. And the wheels, yeah, you want to upgrade $1,000 more, but the interior here used to be 2,000. Now when we click on the white interior, which is really nice, and it's only $1,000. And full self driving is still $8,000. That thing hasn't changed. So let's see, we can go with the long range all-wheel drive. So this one, as you can see, the range maybe like 20 miles less. Top speed still the same, 125, but 0 to 60 is 4.2 seconds. This one is what, 4 point something faster than my Model Y. So we click on here. Remember here, Tesla, you have to add back the $5,000 because Tesla estimated the tax savings. No, the saving of $5,000 from gas. All right, so it doesn't make sense if you were to think this. You add this, the $5,000 back, so about $39,000 for the rear-wheel drive, and the long-range rear-wheel drive added $5,000, about $34,000, $35,000, and even the long range, you can add the $5,000, about $39,000, $40,000, and then for the Performance, still stay the same at about $47,000, which is, in my opinion, if you're going to buy this car, the Model 3 refresh model for yourself, and if you can afford it, I highly suggest you go with the Performance. And I think you get more values in the Performance, and I think the car itself is undervalued, so it should be a lot more than $55,000. But due to the the price cap for the tax credit, Tesla wanted the mass to have it, so that's why they can't. They don't want to charge it more than 55,000, but in my opinion, I think it should be at least like 70,000 or 65,000 in that range. But yeah, and if you're gonna just buy this car just for your wife, who really doesn't really care about the speed, they just want, like, the longer range and the styling and everything, the long range rear wheel drive would make sense as well too. $35,000, you get pretty much like everything in a good package, right? The refresh model, the long range, the range with the miles like 363, highs in the class here, and then top speed, and it's pretty fast, 4.9 second. You think it's slow, it's really fast. All right. So, and like I said, everything else is the same. Yep. So yeah. So overall, Tesla is producing, I think, 6 million vehicles already. So, and they're the only vehicles, EVs that actually making profits. All of other EVs manufacturers, they're actually minimizing the cost. So pretty much every vehicle they produce, they're losing a lot of money, from 30,000 down to 20,000, and now they try just to minimize that. So even Rivian as well too. So hopefully all of the EVs company will survive. Because we want to go green, but Tesla, we all know, it's always ahead of its class. So again, previous video I mentioned about how the father was had a flat tires, and he was struck from behind, and the car was just very badly damaged, yet he walked away perfectly fine. So that also teaches a lesson. If you have a flat tires, don't stand outside, just stay inside your vehicle, and just and then you'll be safe, assuming you're in a Tesla Model Y. And after that, he ordered a Model X. So once again, I do own a Tesla Model Y, and I do not have any complaints. I love it so far. Everything is good. Almost this December, so about 5-6 more months, it'll be my 2 years already. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Take care. Till next time.